Hi, my name is Doris Wong, and I am the CEO here at Smart ERP Solutions. Our session today is the Smart ERP Advantage for PeopleSoft implementations and upgrades. In this session, we will talk about how you can save up to 80% with Smart Solutions on your customization requirements when implementing PeopleSoft or upgrading PeopleSoft. This discussion also applies for both PeopleSoft customers as well as other Oracle PeopleSoft partners. First of all, a little background on me. Prior to joining Smart ERP, for 3 years post-Oracle acquisition of PeopleSoft, I was the Group Vice President and General Manager for all of the PeopleSoft products within Oracle, which included Human Capital Management, Financials, Supply Chain, Supplier Relationship Management, Customer Relationship Management, Enterprise Performance Management, and People Tools. Anything relating to PeopleSoft, I was responsible for working with customers as well as partners. Our agenda today is very simple. I'll take a few minutes to discuss Smart ERP, who we are, our philosophy, and business value. Next, I'll cover Smart Solutions and our SmartAdvantage, how basically Smart Solutions versus traditional consulting approaches can really help you save money. And finally, just give you a quick update on our Smart Solutions and our portfolio of products. And then we'll wrap it up with a summary. So first, a little bit about Smart ERP Solutions. We are comprised of the best former developers, analysts, architects, and executives from PeopleSoft Oracle. Our organization and our team of members have years and years of experience working with PeopleSoft in product development and customer support. Our objectives of our company are twofold. Number one, to provide cost-effective, robust, and repeatable smart solutions for PeopleSoft applications. And number two, to provide strong best practices and expertise in working with PeopleSoft customers on strategic planning, smart implementations, as well as upgrade services. We differentiate ourselves from other consulting organizations with this key differentiator, our SmartAdvantage. Rather than assigning teams of consultants to projects, we apply our pre-built, proven solutions to efficiently address those efforts common to any PeopleSoft project, thus saving time, reducing costs, minimizing risk, and lowering your total cost of ownership. This really basically avoids costly, difficult to maintain customizations. Here's our philosophy and business value. At Smart ERP, we utilize our solution-based approach. Rather than having customizations done by traditional consulting services, Smart ERP develops and utilizes pre-built add-on solutions to address critical and common requirements for any PeopleSoft implementation or upgrade. Our Smart Solutions business value to you includes quick, predictable implementation times, which saves time and reduces costs. In our studies, we have worked with clients where they have found up to 80% savings compared to traditional customization and consulting services. Our smart solutions are pre-built, high quality, and proven to minimize risk. Our solutions are also designed as add-on solutions, thus avoiding customizations and resulting in a lower total cost of ownership. Bottom line, minimizing the impact to maintenance and future upgrades. Next, let's talk about Smart Solutions, specifically our SmartAdvantage. As you can see here in this chart, we have identified critical and common requirements that are applicable to many PeopleSoft customers while either implementing or upgrading. For example, row-level security, having the ability to secure specific data elements or rows of data, or workflow approval, or the need for streamlining business processes, or the need for simplification, better usability, and increased productivity, better collaboration within the context of a transaction, or specific customization requirements of a client, as well as training needs or compliance, such as 1099 or supplier diversity reporting. As you can see, for all of these requirements, we have a smart solution for that. Another option would be, of course, to go with the traditional consulting services approach for addressing those requirements with customizations. In this example here, any of our smart solutions, as I mentioned earlier, you can save up to 80% in costs as compared to traditional consulting services. In addition, we can embed in any of our smart solutions as part of our services for implementation and upgrades of PeopleSoft. This is truly a unique differentiating strategy for helping PeopleSoft customers and partners keep costs down while implementing or upgrading PeopleSoft. So let's talk next about a quick overview of smart solutions and how we at SmartERP come up with them. Our smart solutions are designed to enhance and extend PeopleSoft standard functionality to meet business needs. I call it the 3 C's in how we determine smart solutions. First of all, the business requirements need to be common to many PeopleSoft customers, critical to your business needs, as well as complementary to the Oracle PeopleSoft standard software. Our solutions are repeatable, prepackaged, highly configurable, and innovative solutions. I like to use the 80-20% rule in regards to our solutions. We prepackage 80% of the functionality that's required, and we work with our clients for that final 20%, 10%, whatever it may be, to configure it to meet your very specific business requirements. Our solutions are also release independent. What does that mean? It truly means that our solutions can be deployed on any PeopleSoft application release, whether it is on 8.8, 8.9, 8.4, 9.0, or 9.1. Our solutions are also designed and developed with customer-driven requirements, and they're architected and designed as add-on solutions. This is really important to us to make sure that we have customer feedback as part of our design, as well as design it and architect it in a way that truly drives the cost of ownership down by minimizing customizations to the core functionality within the Oracle PeopleSoft standard software, as well as minimizing the upgrade impact. And finally, our solutions are affordable and cost-effective because we've already pre-built a lot of it, and we can provide you with very robust functionality at a very affordable and cost-effective price. Let's take a look at our most popular smart solutions. In our first grouping, we have several solutions for better organizational controls and productivity. For example, Smart Security for row-level security, or Smart Workflow for robust workflow approval anywhere in financial, supply chain, human capital management. Smart Keys for quick and accurate data entry of chart field information. The next grouping are solutions on enhancing and configuring the user interface to have your PeopleSoft applications work the way you need them to work within your business. For example, Smart Docs allows you to configure and streamline your PeopleSoft transactions to meet your specific needs. We have several options around a different user interface with Smart Flex UI or Smart Lifecycle Viewer. And we have solutions around streamlining business processes and providing some additional configurable actions that you can apply to every single transaction. And if you have needs for compliance or integration, we also have solutions in those areas. And finally, if there's something that you don't see, but it meets our 3 C's requirements, tell us about it and we'll build it with you in a very cost-effective manner. So let's summarize. So where do smart solutions fit in? Basically, here's where our smart solutions fit in. If you are a client or a partner and you are upgrading and considering customizations to address specific requirements, we may have a smart solution that meets those requirements. Or have you already built your customizations and you're in the process of upgrading and you have found that it's too costly to continue to support and maintain that? This is another example of where our smart solutions can fit in, especially with our add-on solutions to minimize cost of ownership. And finally, are you in production and you have discovered that you have an additional need? for a specific requirement. We may already have a solution that meets that requirement. So again, you can add that on to your environment with very low minimal requirements around maintenance and upgrades. So with that, this wraps our session. For more information regarding our smart solutions, please visit our website at smarterp.com/previews. Thank you and have a great day.